Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Paycom. So let's get started right away. If you're using the Paycom application and you have logged out from your account from within the app, then you might find that sometimes your username or your credentials might be stored even after you log out. So in order to fix this, just long press on the Paycom application and then tap on the info icon. Now this will take you into the application settings page for Paycom. From here, just tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the application. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Now this will take you into the storage menu where you can tap on the clear cache button to empty out the cache for the Paycom application. After doing this, tap on clear data as well and then tap on the delete button to delete all of the user data from the Paycom application. Now once you do this, if you go back and open up the Paycom application, you will find that you have been logged out and your login information has not been saved as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from the Paycom application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.